In this tutorial, we will be showing how to get the last month of date using Python code. There may be occasions that we want to plot time series data, for example plotting month and time series data when doing data analysis. Python has two libraries which we can use for this purpose. Calendar and DataTime modules allow us to get the last month of date using Python code easily. First, we initialize a date with DateTime, and putting the parameters to be calendar month range to get the last date of the month. And print the results for checking. Moreover, we can use for loop to loop over all the months within a year and get all the last month of dates for the time series data. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. We will be updating more useful contents on this channel. Please also feel free to leave any of your comments below.